Hello everyone, Henry Lucero here with Aero Electric Service with another electrical educational video. Today I'd like to talk to you about GFCIs. GFCIs that everybody has in their home, in their kitchen, in their bathrooms, in their garages. Nowadays, a lot of houses, by code, they're required to be almost everywhere now. What is a GFCI? Well, GFCI stands for Ground Fault Circuit Interrupter. These devices have been saving people from shock hazards or shock since 1975. They've been around. How does a GFCI work? A GFCI has an electronic circuit inside that senses a balance circuit. So when you have a lamp plugged in or a hair dryer, you have, let's just say, for example, 5 amps flowing in the hot and 5 amps flowing back on the neutral. So it's a balanced circuit, 5 amps flowing in, 5 amps flowing out. When you touch an energized part of that circuit, let's say that appliance has a bad cord or it has a bad case to it, then you become part of that circuit, and that some of the amperage goes through your body. And so the circuit inside is designed to sense that imbalance, and it trips it within 1/10 of a second, and that is 5 milliamps. It trips it within 5 milliamps, and that's a threshold for serious injury or death. So it trips it way before it causes any serious injury or possibly death. So when you touch an energized faulty appliance, you become that path. So that's how the GFCIs work. 47% of electrocution can be prevented with the proper use of GFCI protection. So it's important to have these, especially around water, your exterior outlets, your garage, wherever you may be plugging in stuff that you're working with outside, in your bathroom. They're very important. Another thing is they need to be tested monthly. And the way you test them is, the easiest way is you can take a blow dryer or a table lamp and you can plug it into the outlet, and then you can hit the test button that's right here. And when you hit the test button, it should trip and the light should turn off, or your blow dryer should turn off. And then when you hit the reset, it should reset and your appliance should come back on. So that's the way you test these, and they should be tested monthly because they do go bad. And when they go bad, then you have the possibility of a shock hazard. So if you have any questions about GFCIs or need to know anything extra about them, or more about how they operate, or if you need some installed or checked or tested or replaced in your house, please give us a call. I appreciate you watching. As always, like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.